need to get all of this in the car.
Merry Christmas Eve, babe. Are you excited? So Michelle and I are kind of on a budget. I say kind of. We're definitely on a budget. And so this is what we did. We've packed up a cooler. We went and got food last night. But it's Christmas Eve, and we are heading to Salt Lake City. We got a little Airbnb. We'll show you guys that here in a minute. And then there's like a cool little coffee/yoga store that we're gonna go to. Get some coffee on the way. You don't want me to show them the room, do you?
No.
Okay, I can't show you our room. But we're in our new apartment. We'll give you guys a tour when we get back for sure. Honey, you forgot to put your jackets away.
I'm not done.
Oh wait, are those the jackets you're bringing? How many are there?
It's like 4 or 5.
Babe. Babe.
This is for my mom and me.
Okay.
Give me that one. This one's mine. Well, you said let's open something useful, so.
Ooh.
Nice sunglasses.
Got
Oh,
it.
they look nice on you. Ooh, oh, the hair oil that I've been wanting. Oh, she always gets me these things. The lip glow. What color is this? Pink. Summer Fridays, I'm excited to try this one too. I told her. My Botox! I can't get Botox right now. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
Christmas.
There we go. Good, there's snow up in the mountains.
A vlog of a vlog. So we just got to Cedar City. Michelle and I are both vlogging. He fell asleep while I was driving.
Like 10 minutes.
But we did, I'll show you this. We did our own little exchange for Christmas Eve. Michelle got me these glasses.
I like how they look on you.
Thanks, baby. So we drove all this way to Bristol. Let's go look at and you can see through it. Well, I guess we'll have to go to this place when we get back. It's kind of cool. It has like a yoga studio, which not super into yoga, but I like stretching, and a coffee shop. So that's cool, but it's closed. Closed on Christmas Eve. What kind of place is closed on Christmas Eve?
I mean, they closed it too.
I don't even care that there's sugar in this. I'm excited about it.
We stopped at Perks.
We should do gift opening tomorrow at 7. It's basically no.
Christian's like a little kid. He wants to open gifts at 5 a.m. That's
Okay,
crazy.
babe, you get to sleep in every day.
I'm
Guess how many
pregnant.
days a week I get days out of the year I get an open present.
We are 45 minutes away from Salt Lake City. I am excited to go see our Airbnb. We might be going to the movie theater later tonight. Are we thinking that?
I think we're gonna go see Mufasa. All right, we're at our Airbnb. All right, babe, let's go. Moment of truth.
I'm so excited.
Are you?
I am.
Oh wow,
Oh, this is pretty.
this is cool.
Oh, there's our bedroom.
Oh wow.
Really cool.
TV. Yay. There's me. This is pretty cool. So we just got our thing. We're looking for our parking pass now.
I'm so hungry.
Did you eat a horse?
Yeah, we were in the car for about 8 hours today, so I am starving. Baby is hungry. Cheers.
Oh. What is this door?
It's like a little closet. It's tiny. We were planning on going to the movies, but we are way too tired. What are we watching?
1923.
We're gonna be watching 1923. Let's get ready for bed.
Hey, babe.
No.
Merry Christmas. We just woke up. not too long ago, but it's an hour ahead here, so Michelle hasn't really adjusted very well. And she's mad at me for adjusting. I don't know. But we're gonna go work out here in a second, get a little pump on, and then we're gonna open some presents. Look at those presents. Present!
Christmas like a little kid.
You're a little kid. Look at you. You're on the ground like a baby.
Christian wakes up like at 4 a.m. just telling me, presents, let's open them. I'm like, oh my gosh.
That's not all I said. I said I wanted to read the Christmas story. It's snowing outside. Michelle says it's raining. It looks like rain from here. I'm going to show them. See, oh, babe, you can see the snowflakes. Look, come look at this light. I'll show you where to look. You can tell that it's, well, you can probably tell. But look at that lamp over there.
It's raining.
No, look at the lamp.
I know.
Look, it's definitely snow. Look at it, how it falls. Babe, your first
snow.
Babe, your first white Christmas. First white Christmas. That's your big present, babe.
That's so cute.
Snow. So today's Wednesday. It's December 25th. But every Wednesday, we get to see how big our baby is. All right, how many weeks?
Okay.
20 weeks today?
20 weeks, so we're halfway through.
Halfway through. All right, let me see how big he is.
A potato!
He's the size of a potato!
Oh my gosh. Squish is as big as Ariel's single hopper. Oh, the
comb?
Yeah. The world's best boss coffee from The Office. That's funny. Oh, beanie baby.
Wow.
Babe. Where's our treat? Oh, you see it.
Babe, I just want you to know this isn't easy for me to go do activities before we open presents.
It's not easy for me to be awake, period.
Well, I told you I was gonna go work out. You're like, yeah, I'm gonna go work out with you.
Well, I told you my reasoning. My mom's gonna do this. I don't want to work out with you.
Oh, your reasoning was you can't work out alone.
That's it. Not today. We found this super cool social room. Christian's outside. So cool.
No, babe, that's rain. Merry Christmas, honey. Merry Christmas, baby. You can't even see like 100 feet up. It's crazy. I mean, if we did live in the city, this would be kind of a cool place.
Oh, for sure. It looks like a speakeasy, kind of.
Yeah.
Those chairs.
Do they have a hot tub?
Yeah, the outdoor pool area.
If there's a hot tub, I'm gonna go. Aha! Outside. So like hot tubs in the cold are like my favorite thing to do. It is warm. Haha. Do you wanna come outside?
Not really.
But snow. Aha! I found it. We had to play some tricks with the elevators because they kept sending us the 2 elevators that don't have a directory in them, and we were trying to get the one with the directory.
We went to like 5 different
Floors.
Who is ready to open gifts?
I'm reading about Mormon underwear.
Oh my gosh.
You're silly.
I bought it with mom.
Whoa! Ooh, so pretty.
So
so we opened all our presents. We didn't really nap, but we could have because Michelle took forever to get ready. What are you wearing, babe? Don't hit me with that. Stop. Punk.
Is this it?
Should be. We're gonna get some coffee right now. There's a couple shops that were open. So we're trying to find a good cup of joe. Kind of upset though because our gimbal that I got Michelle isn't working. So we're gonna have to take it back and get a new one. I was really yeah, but I was excited to use it. Come on, babe. This is the view from outside of our hotel.
This is where we're staying at the Charles, and this is how it looks on the outside. There's Lake House, STK.
The Delta Stadium is like right over here.
We're literally downtown. There's all these hotels around. We made it to a coffee shop.
I think it's closed.
It said it was open.
100% closed.
Oh. Oh no. Second time around this has happened to us. Looks pretty though. Another one that's closed. Everywhere I look it says that it's open.
Okay,
But this one's also pretty. It is not open?
Nope.
No.
So Michelle and I have been looking for a coffee shop that's open, but whoa, it's like a Traeger.
It's like cook your own, right?
It's like a Traeger place. Anyway, we've been looking for a coffee shop that's open. Finding a coffee shop that is open in Mormon country on Christmas
Oh, it's crazy.
is like next to impossible.
I was talking, you started recording, so now we're in your vlog. Yeah, we don't know if we'll find a coffee shop. We've been walking for the last 40 minutes or so, and there's nothing. We've passed 4 different places now.
I think this is a place where you actually work for Traeger. I think this is like their workshop. Oh, cool. So this is what we've had to settle for. The coffee inside the building, which is fine, but you know, we only walked for 3 hours trying to find a coffee shop. How long do you think we walked?
Ridiculous. It's every single place we saw, it was closed. And they look like nice coffee shops too.
Thanks, Mormons.
Yeah.
This would never happen in a Christian town like Vegas.
Yeah. To go get water.
Oh, you look like such a nerd.
That looks like a passionate woman.
You better cover up those ankles. They're gonna get cold out there. All right, so Michelle and I are going to see Mufasa tonight. We just got tickets. We're excited. I like Mufasa a little bit more than Simba anyway, so. So we saw Mufasa last night. It was pretty good. I didn't think it was better than the original, but I enjoyed it. The story was good. If you haven't watched it, I'd say it's definitely worth the watch. Now we're going up to Park City. Here, take a look at this. All right, we made it to Park City. We're here. We're gonna go get a little breakfast. Neither of us have eaten yet today, and it's 1 o'clock. So, oh yeah, oh, it smells good. And we're gonna walk around, do a little coffee, a little breakfast, relax a little bit. Michelle and I have kind of been, go, car, run, babe.
It's so beautiful. I'm surprised it's not that cold. Like I am cold, but it's not horrible.
Well, the sun's out, so kind of nice. But we're gonna go to this place called Harvest up here. Michelle looked it up.
Breakfast and coffee and
I'm so hungry. It's noon. Wait, no, it's almost 1.
yeah.
It's 1, and we haven't eaten today. Michelle doesn't do well when she hasn't eaten.
I don't. I get hangry and I get sick, nauseous, everything.
Oh, this is... All right, we just got out of lunch slash brunch. Now we're walking around Park City. It started to snow.
It's so pretty.
This is the first time Michelle's ever been in any kind of like weather like this. She's never been in like a snowstorm or anywhere where it's accumulated. We drove through it once, but that's about it.
Fashionista. Oh, show me what you are doing right now.
Oh, with my hood?
Yeah, so Christian's jacket is so cool because it can cover his face too. He looks so cozy. Change my clothes. That's crunchy.
Babe, go over there.
Christian just started attacking me. Almost hit me.
What? Ah! Those are in the face! We had to go back to the car because Michelle needed to get some different pants. Had a little snowball fight.
Double layered though.
She had a double layer, but she's pregnant, so the pants don't fit. So like,
Oh, wait,
she's got the bolt.
Show them real quick. They don't zip.
This is cool. We came at a good time. I don't think there was snow on the forecast, babe. It was just for you.
I know. God made this beautifully just for me.
Just for Michelle.
Yeah. Hotel? I have no clue.
Are you tired? Is baby
I'm
clamping on your organs?
exhausted. Yeah. It's crazy because with the pregnancy, it's already a lot in my lungs. I feel like I'm out of breath all the time.
Really?
We've been walking in an inclination, so upwards, for the last like 30 minutes. I'm so out of breath.
It's crazy. It was sunny when we got here. Now it's definitely not sunny.
Oh, it's so pretty now though. It's really cool.
We're here at the base of the mountain. There you are, baby. There's the ski lift right here that goes up. There's multiple ski lifts, but
Oh, does it go around?
yeah, it's like a little walking park. Michelle's first snowman.
It's so cute.
It's
Christian
so
did
little.
Most of it.
I
but
did all
took
of
the
it.
top, the head off.
I made a head and then she
I
took
made
it off.
another
And
head.
made it out. It's a pretty good snowman if you ask me,
It's
babe.
so cute.
I found the arms. Hey, sir. You guys don't know where any coffee shops are, do you? There's one right over here.
Hey, Kristen. No, Christian.
Look at that.
It's not even your name. Is it good?
Not bad. But it's really coming down now. Say bye to Park City, babe. People that come back to Park City don't say bye. They say see you later. I'd say this was definitely a good choice. Man, these are such big snowflakes. I haven't seen like real snow like this in a few years, so.
Really?
Yeah, babe, this is what I'm talking about right here.
It's so beautiful. I can't stop saying that. These snowflakes are gigantic. It's so cool. I'm glad we got to see it today. I don't know if it's not like this yesterday, so I'm glad we came here today, the 26th. But we're heading back home. Airbnb. We are probably going to the melting pot tonight, so we're gonna go back, just relax for a little bit in the house, get ready, head out.
Good job. Michelle's first snow angel. Come on, babe, hurry up. Just run. Let's go. That was pathetic.
Christian's taking forever.
I'm not, it's you.
Let's just go.
We've been waiting this whole time.
We're dinner ready. Put your hat on so I can get a cute video.
Here, wait, let me put this stuff on me. So Michelle and I are here at the melting pot. She's never, have you ever had fondue?
I have had fondue, but I've never gone to a restaurant that's just primarily doing fondue, so I'm so excited to try it out.
So we got a $50 gift card, so we're gonna do the cheese and the dessert, and then we're gonna go home and make some carne asada. Because the fondue for the meat it is what it is. It's kind of an added thing, but we're getting the two best entrees, I think.
Yeah,
so.
that's exciting. And some drinks.
And some drinks.
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic for her. No, I'm just kidding. I don't drink either. But yeah, so we're excited. It's been a good day.
Kind of got in a scary situation earlier.
Oh
with
yeah,
the wreck,
we got in a wreck. Somebody hit my car. So, but we were good.
We're good.
Michelle freaked out. I was fine.
Oh, I was just pissed, but it's
I know. She like rolled the window down. I was like, what the hell? I was like, no, Michelle, just get in the car and shut
I
up.
rolled the back window and I was like, what are you guys doing?
It's like, Michelle, stop. It was not that bad.
It felt horrible. It felt really bad.
I'm sorry.
It wasn't anything major, so that's good.
Yeah. Right.
First time trying this fondue.
I told you you wouldn't like it.
That's unbelievable. Oh, it's so cool. They're like marshmallows. Chocolate's like my favorite thing ever.
Is it good?
It is marshmallows. Yum.
Yep. All right, let's do this cake. Let's go worst first.
It's so good.
Under deep instruction because it's preaching a false gospel.
Good morning. We are driving back today. It is Friday, the 27th. We have left the Airbnb, but we could not leave without stopping at Swing. I'm so excited. It's funny. I was just telling Christian the whole Secret Lives of Mormon Wives backstory and the whole drama. It's very interesting.
Very interesting.
What did you get?
The reindeer thing.
The reindeer.
It's like root beer, almond milk, or something. I don't know. It looked good.
Interesting. I mean, we'll see. It's very different to what we're used to, but since we couldn't find any coffee shops open the other day, we just figured we would get sodas today. We passed the Mormon temple. There was one under construction. We have no clue if it's the same one, but there then was another one. It was interesting. I just wanted to drive through it or not through it, drive past it.
Yeah, we ordered some Books of Mormon and
We just went through it. No.
We got the first season of Secret Lives of Mormon Wives on disc.
Yeah. Okay, moment of truth.
Tastes like root beer float. It said root beer and Dr. Pepper and all that stuff. They use sugar-free versions?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, this is yummy.
Oh, it's sugar-free, babe.
Oh,
There's
it's so
caramel on the
different.
bottom of mine. All right, well, we finally made it to Bristol Cone on our way back.
It's so good.
Yep. Michelle finally got to taste the great coffee that it is. We're a little past the halfway point, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're past the halfway point, but I think that's it for the vlog. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and let us know. What should we let them have us know?
I don't know. Have you guys ever been to Park City? Let us know in the comment section.
Let us know in the comment section if you've
That's
ever been to Park City. See ya. Peace.